Okay, so it's Saturday morning and we are on our way to pick her up. And by me, I mean me. It's only me. Okay. So her boarding is right over there. And she's going home today. I don't have my gimbal with me today. I'm just recording on my phone. We are in the medical faculty. And I think this is the anatomy building or something. Where they keep cadavers. Oh, she's coming. Good morning. I have to fix your mic. Test one. What Maria?
Hi.
So good morning. We have
Good morning.
Sandevi today.
Hi.
Hi. She's going home today for the weekend.
Holidays.
Not a holiday.
It is.
Just 2
I've
days.
been having a hectic week.
Yeah. And you have to work weekend as well.
Yeah.
Assignments and lab reports.
Yeah.
Which I don't have because I'm done with my degree. She got selected into zoology honors.
Yeah.
Top of her class. Where do you want to eat today?
Usual spot.
Wijewardane Canteen. Okay. So this is the medical faculty. This is radiology department or something. Nuclear medicine.
Nuclear medical unit. Nuclear medicine unit.
So now we are out of the faculty in the main Galaha road.
We can also do a Wijewardane Canteen food review today.
Yeah. There's a bit of mist today on the Hantana mountains. We can't actually see the mountains. So Sunny, what is this?
Lino.
So someone has dropped a bag of lino here. It's very smelly. And what about this bridge? Will it ever stop? Will they ever stop building it? So it's been like 2 years now, and the bridge is still building.
They said it's just gonna take 6 months.
Yes.
And when we are in our first year, and here we are in our third year,
Yeah.
it's still being constructed.
You are in your third year. I am in my 5th year.
We are in our first year.
First year as a demonstrator, I guess. That's actually Wijewardane hostel.
Your record, the hostel.
Okay, it's just no one's there. So those are the buildings. And yeah. We are gonna go to the Wijewardane canteen to have a breakfast.
Shout out to Aya.
Shout out to Vijay Gaya. I think it's kind of comfortable, like having it on my hand rather than a gimbal.
Yes, it looks way less weird.
Yes, the gimbal, having a gimbal on my hand is really awkward. And everyone is looking at me when I do that.
Shall we cross?
Yeah, we have to cross the street. And there's a Mahakanda bus coming. The legendary Mahakanda bus. So we cross the street and we are really close to Wijewardane Canteen. And this is the beautiful main Galaha road. We have our first friend of the day,
Ranjan.
Ranjan. So that's Ranjan.
He's not actually a friend.
Yes, he's the worst
He's like
one.
the boyfriend of our friend.
Yes, and he's the worst dog in Wijewardane Canteen.
No, he's not. It's Ale.
Ah, yeah, maybe Ale is the worst one. And we have the next friend. It's
Okay,
Peradeniya.
I'm gonna face my usual struggle.
Huh?
I'm gonna find my ID now.
Yeah, we have show IDs in Wijewardane Canteen.
Show him.
Yeah, he's Peradeniya. So this is Wijewardane Canteen. And
Dining hall.
the dining hall, cafeteria. I have to be careful when you sit here because there are dog hairs everywhere. So I guess see you with some breakfast. Okay. So
Okay,
Sunday
so
tell me.
this is our breakfast. We have two with rotis and one paratha. And we wanted Nescafe, but unfortunately they were out of Nescafe, so we had to buy some hot chocolate. So yeah, let's see how it goes.
So Sunday has brought a Horlicks biscuit. What
Let's
do
see
you-
if it has the same taste.
Yeah, as our childhood Horlicks biscuits. And what do you have to say about the breakfast we had?
It's good.
Yeah,
Like 7 out of 10.
yeah. I think Wijewardane Canteen has the best food out of all the hostel canteens.
Yeah, out of all the hostel canteens.
Yeah. And the atmosphere is good here as well.
Because it's not crowded.
Yeah, sometimes it's not
Yeah.
crowded, but when it's crowded, it sucks. But it has kind of like a cafe vibe. No other hostel canteens has that cafe vibe, right? Somebody is saying that hot chocolate tastes like Dettol. Very smart.
Doing an ASMR.
So now we are out of Vijay Canteen and we are gonna go to Galaha Junction and drop Sundari off. Go to Kego. Kego? How is it? How is it pronounced?
God.
Kego. Goal, but it's not quite so. Which is better, goal or Kego?
Okay, go.
No goal.
No, yeah, goal is better.
So, are you taking the shortcut or through the faculty?
Through the faculty so that we can show them the faculty.
Okay. We can't show them all of the faculty, we'll just show them what we
Some
see on the
buildings.
way. Yeah. So, we have a party pillar here. And that's Qubit's code gen. That's where I work. Kind of work, I volunteer here. It's a robotics company. And we have physics workshop here. Everything is closed today because it's Saturday. We have physics labs here. And the Nelly tree. And we have a DJ light. So all of this belongs to the physics department, my department. And this is mathematics though. That's the physics new building.
We didn't meet our friend Dobby today.
Ah yeah. W wasn't there in the Wijewardane Canteen. No one's here today because it's Saturday and no one has lectures except bio students.
Except molecular biology students.
Yeah. Zoology students are free, apparently.
Only on Saturdays and Sundays.
I am free anyway because I've finished my degree, and you still have 2 years to go.
Hopefully it's not
This is the
because of
physics new building, and most of those posters I made them. Not most of them, some of them. I think.
one of them.
No, few of them. I think they replaced my posters with new ones. Some more dogs.
Look at that guy.
Yeah,
Just like me,
I think
avoiding conflicts.
maybe he's the big boss behind all of it. Dude, tell me what you feel about this. Don't be afraid. Tell your opinion. Okay, he's very
not
scared.
into recording.
Looks like a fox.
Right. He's smiling though.
Yeah. Looking at the other dogs and smiling. So here we have MB department, right?
Yeah.
MB department car park, I guess.
It's the new MB building.
Yes.
Can we go through our department?
We can't. Doors closed probably.
Let me check.
So that's the beautiful mural of zoology. So apparently the zoology building is closed today. So we'll just go outside.
We could have shown them the displayed specimens.
Yeah, maybe some other day. Would we have to get like permission to video it? No, right?
That I don't know.
Nah. Maybe we have to, but no one watches my videos, so it won't be a problem.
What if?
I'll be out of here when anyone watches it, so you'll be responsible, I guess.
No, not me. I don't even know this guy.
Let's go show them the ground. I think they've already seen the grounds, but I don't really. But
Let's just show them the ground again.
yes, our ground again after the flood. It's all good now. Ground wasn't affected. All the other things were.
Ground was.
Ground was affected, but the water went down and nothing was changed. Ground was
Because
still
there's
there.
nothing to change. It's just a ground.
I guess so. Calm down. Cutting grass, I guess. We have a PGIS. Get your degree. It's less crowded because it's a Saturday.
A Saturday morning.
A Saturday morning, yeah. No one works here in the morning. Peradeniya people are not morning people.
Not even night owls.
Yeah. They are just always exhausted pigeons or something.
They just work from like 10 to 5 or something,
Yeah.
I guess.
Here we have
This is our
geology.
geology building.
And you have, of course, the assistant designers, right?
Yes,
GIS?
I do. And it's from 6 to 8 p.m. I guess.
6
Pray
to,
for me.
6 to 8 p.m. lectures.
I'm not sure though.
No, I think it's 6 to 8 p.m. Our guys had those lectures too. And here we have our own railway station. Sarasaviyam. But the trains are not running. Right?
Because that Yakka Palam is broken.
Yakapalan is dead. So as you can see, there is some construction going on at Yakapalan.
And here we have our second favorite breakfast spot,
Yes,
Rasamusu. Shout out to Rasamusu again. Pusa.
Used to be called Bukmusu.
Back then.
Yeah.
We never called it Bukmusu though.
Yes. That's some old thing, I
The
guess.
chicken pastry is good.
I'm surprised that the battery held up this long. It's like 40% or something.
Show them your face a bit too. Say hello.
Hi.
Look at his t-shirt.
Huh?
Your t-shirt?
Ah, yeah. Show them my t-shirt.
I did. Outfit check.
So this road goes to my body. Don't come.
We can even do a boarding tour.
No, no,
And
no.
guys, this is not so favorite of us.
Yeah, television. But sometimes it's good to to have a quick tea or I don't know. The food is weird there.
Not weird.
They have roast cutlet.
It is. It indeed is.
Yes. They have something called samabala roti.
I haven't had that.
Yes, those areas spot.
Isn't he coming now?
Huh?
Isn't he coming now?
I don't think so.
Mama.
No, those mama. It's not coming now. I think. I haven't seen him in a while. He's probably doing online business now. Maybe he's all out of those.
Maybe the trend is over.
Yeah. Or maybe his imported mix got over.
Politics.
Okay. Back to the hands of the professional photographer. Here we have some other buildings. I've been here 4 years and I still don't know what this is. Maybe a quarters, a home or something. A high-speed oil carrier.
Yeah, everything is faster than the Mahakanda bus.
Yes. Here we have the Agriculture Department buildings and the Postgraduate Institute of Agriculture, I think. It's raining again. Only a small amount, but it's still raining. I think you can't see it. Just a drizzle. And this canteen is also good. And I think it's all for today. We have to go now because it's raining and she has to go home.
Bye-bye.
And I have to go to boarding and sleep. Yeah, so see you. Here she goes. Bye.